Welcome to ChinaSecurities.com and Chinese Stocks TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the Chinese small and mid-cap space at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great Chinese investment. It's Thursday, October the 22nd. I've got 3 press releases for you. Let's get straight to them. Rino International trades on the NASDAQ under Rino, R-I-N-O. This is a producer of patented wastewater treatment, desulfurization equipment, and high-temperature antioxidant systems for the iron and steel manufacturers in China. Gotta love it. Core product being delivered to a core industry within a growing company. Like the news already, they announced a contract valued at $18.4 million. This was the government of Dalian Development District. They're going to provide and install a sludge treatment system in 2 phases. The first phase, valued about $9.5 million, is going to commence this December. They're expected to initiate operations by July of 2010 and achieve a processing capacity of 200 tons per day. The second phase is going to begin in September 2010, so a little less than a year from now. That's valued about $8.8 million. They're going to, and the plan with that is to increase capacity by an extra 200 tons or double the capacity. Expect to be online by February 2011. Through its direct and indirect subsidiaries, the company provides environmental protection equipment for the iron and steel industry in China. Now, they closed yesterday at $21.85, getting out of the price range of most small and mid-cap investors. However, the reason I bring it up, not only because it's good news, 52-week low, $2. You're talking about nearly an 11-fold increase. This is why we love the Chinese small and mid-cap space, and there are a lot more to come. Next up, Trina Solar trades on the NYSE under TSL. This is a manufacturer of solar photovoltaic products. They entered into a sales agreement with Proinzo, who's a distributor of solar photovoltaic products in Europe. Under the terms of the agreement, no dollar figures. They got the megawatt numbers, and they're big. Trina is going to supply Proinzo with about 108 megawatts of PV modules. Proinzo has an option to purchase an additional 12 megawatts in the first quarter of 2010. Shipments are expected to commence in the fourth quarter of 2009, so it's going to hit Trina Solar's top line pretty quickly and continued throughout the first half of 2010. Closed yesterday at $35 and change. Again, out of the range of most small and mid-cap investors. But why do I bring this up? Take a look at the 52-week low, $5.61. Talking about a 6.5 times increase in the company from its 52-week low. This is why we love the space. This is why you got to keep tuning in to China Securities TV. Finally, Telecom trades on the NASDAQ under CTEL. I actually did a profile of this company about 3 weeks ago when it's trading the $5.85 range. Really like this company. Now trading at $7.40. But why we got them up today, no material news from a business point of view, but I do like to talk about the humanitarian side of companies, and they're really good press release today. The company's subsidiary, Hong Kong Broadband Network, HKBN, has launched their Gift of Sight initiative. This is where they're targeting to collect 10,000 old eyeglasses to be redeployed for the underprivileged in China and other developing countries. They're working in partnership with Crossroads Foundation, so they're going to collect the glasses, sort them by prescription, refurbish them, recut them, and do whatever is necessary to meet the needs of the receiving community. So why am I telling you about this? A, always great to see a corporation. I mean, this company here, CTEL, is the fastest growing broadband provider in Hong Kong, but it's not all just business. They're giving back to the community. 2, you can get involved. If you go take a look at this press release, you don't have to be a client of the company. They actually give you some information as to where you can mail your old eyeglasses directly. We all have those in our homes. I've got a couple from the wife and things like that. So show the company your support. Send it in. By the way, again, CTEL traded at 7.4. That's where they closed yesterday. 52-week low, $1.85. Again, you're talking about what, nearly a 4.5 fold increase in the price. Love these babies that were thrown out the bathwater and now bouncing back. And I think CTEL has a lot more room to grow. Go to my blog, punch up CTEL, and you'll see that profile come up. That's a wrap. As always, if you look for more great Chinese small and mid-cap companies, get over to the front page of ChinaSecurities.com. 3 things to do there. 1, watch this video on a daily basis, or subscribe to it through our syndication partners, YouTube, Google Video, all sorts of, about 7 different video channels, so I can't name them all. 2, read the headlines. We've got the best press releases coming out of this space over the last 3 or 4 days. We segregate them by industry, so you can quickly find the ones that you like. Finally, the directory. We're tracking about 320 of the best small and mid-cap Chinese companies trading on North American exchanges. You can quickly view all of them with succinct descriptions, or if you want to filter down that list, you can filter it by industry and exchange to quickly find the one that best suits your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.